Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The announcement of the Trade Bank of Iraq's TBI plan to establish a cash deposit center in Iraq represents a significant step in Iraq's ongoing efforts to modernize its banking infrastructure. It signals an initiative aimed at strengthening the formal banking sector, which is crucial in a country like Iraq, where much of the population still relies on cash transactions and informal financial practices. This decision to open a new cash deposit center goes beyond merely setting up a physical location. It is a strategic move to address broader economic challenges such as reducing the volume of cash circulating outside the banking system, combating money hoarding, and enhancing the overall liquidity within the financial sector. To understand why the opening of a cash deposit center is viewed as a pivotal development, one must first appreciate the role of cash in Iraq's economy. Iraq, like many developing economies, operates largely on a cash-based system. A significant portion of financial transactions in the country occurs outside formal banking channels, which results in a substantial amount of money being kept outside the official banking system. This situation creates a scenario where large sums of dinars are stashed in private homes, businesses, or even in informal storage places, rather than being deposited in banks where they can contribute to the country's financial stability. The bank is creating an avenue for individuals and businesses to transfer their cash holdings into the formal financial system. The objective is to encourage people to deposit their cash in banks rather than keep it in private safes or hidden away. This can increase the amount of money in circulation within the formal banking sector, thereby enhancing liquidity and enabling banks to extend more credit to the economy. Moreover, the establishment of cash centers serves as a means of addressing the issue of stashed or hoarded cash. In Iraq, a significant amount of dinars are believed to be held outside the formal economy, especially due to years of economic instability, sanctions, and distrust in the banking system. Such conditions have led many Iraqis to prefer keeping their wealth in cash rather than depositing it in banks. The lack of trust in the banking system is a challenge that has historical roots, as Iraq has experienced periods of severe economic hardship, war, and financial uncertainty, which eroded confidence in financial institutions. The creation of cash deposit centers aims to rebuild this trust by providing secure and convenient locations for individuals to deposit their cash. The decision to establish cash centers can also be viewed within the context of broader efforts to modernize Iraq's banking sector. The government and financial authorities in Iraq have been working on initiatives to promote financial inclusion, improve banking services, and integrate more people into the formal financial system. Modernizing the banking infrastructure includes upgrading technology, introducing digital banking solutions, and expanding the network of banking facilities to cover more areas. The Cash Deposit Center in Iraq represents a step in this direction, as it is likely to incorporate modern banking facilities and services that can cater to the needs of different customer segments, from individuals to small businesses. In addition to its economic implications, the opening of cash deposit centers can play a role in combating illegal financial activities such as money laundering and terrorism financing. When large sums of cash are kept outside the banking system, it becomes easier for illicit funds to be hidden and used for illegal purposes without detection. The presence of formal channels for depositing cash can help authorities monitor financial transactions more effectively. It makes it more difficult for individuals or groups to engage in illegal activities using cash, as deposits are subject to scrutiny under anti-money laundering regulations. This shift towards encouraging cash deposits in banks can thereby contribute to a safer and more transparent financial environment. The establishment of a cash deposit center in Khark is particularly significant because Khark is one of Baghdad's central districts, with a mix of residential, commercial, and governmental activities. The location choice reflects an effort to serve a diverse customer base and attract deposits from various segments of the population. By situating the cash center in a strategic area, the Trade Bank of Iraq aims to make it accessible to a broad range of customers, including those who may not typically use banking services. This could include small business owners, traders, and individuals who operate primarily in the cash economy. The goal is to provide a convenient and secure place for these people to deposit their money, thereby integrating more funds into the formal economy. For the initiative to succeed, however, the Trade Bank of Iraq and other stakeholders will need to address certain challenges. One of the main hurdles is the deeply rooted habit of cash usage among Iraqis. Decades of economic turmoil have conditioned many to prefer cash over bank accounts, as physical cash is perceived as more secure during times of crisis. Changing this mindset requires a concerted effort to build trust in the banking system. The bank will need to assure customers that their deposits are safe and that they can access their money when needed without any undue delays or complications. Another challenge lies in providing adequate incentives for people to deposit their cash in the banks. Simply opening a cash deposit center may not be enough to encourage individuals who are accustomed to hoarding cash. The bank might consider offering attractive deposit rates, introducing savings products that appeal to different customer segments, or even running awareness campaigns to educate the public on the benefits of using banking services. Additionally, streamlining the deposit process to make it fast and hassle-free will be important in encouraging people to use the new facility. There is also the issue of regulatory compliance. The introduction of cash deposit centers must adhere to existing financial regulations, including those related to anti-money laundering, AML, and combating the financing of terrorism, CFT. The bank will need to implement measures to ensure that deposits are legitimate and do not come from illicit activities. This may involve setting up robust verification processes, tracking large deposits, and reporting suspicious transactions to the authorities. By adhering to regulatory standards, the Trade Bank of Iraq can strengthen its credibility and enhance the reputation of the banking sector in Iraq. Furthermore, the opening of cash deposit centers can have a long-term impact on Iraq's monetary policy. By bringing more cash into the formal banking system, the central bank will have greater control over the money supply. This can improve the effectiveness of monetary policy in managing inflation and stabilizing the economy. The central bank will be able to implement interest rate policies more effectively, as it will have a clearer picture of the amount of money circulating within the economy. Additionally, with more cash in the banks, the central bank can increase its foreign exchange reserves, which is important for maintaining the value of the dinar and ensuring economic stability. The implications of setting up cash deposit centers extend to the broader financial sector as well. It can stimulate competition among banks, encouraging them to offer better services and products to attract more customers. If the initiative is successful, other banks may follow suit and open similar facilities, leading to an expansion of banking services across the country. This can ultimately result in a more dynamic and competitive banking sector, which benefits consumers through improved access to financial services and better interest rates. Moreover, integrating more people into the formal banking system can pave the way for the growth of digital banking in Iraq. As more customers begin to use banking services, banks can introduce digital payment options, mobile banking, and online transactions, which can reduce the reliance on cash over time. This transition to digital banking can be a game changer for Iraq, as it can lead to greater financial inclusion, especially in rural areas where traditional banking services are limited. It also aligns with global trends towards cashless societies, where electronic payments are becoming the norm. In conclusion, the Trade Bank of Iraq's announcement regarding the establishment of a cash deposit center in Kark is a significant step towards modernizing Iraq's banking sector and addressing long-standing economic challenges. The initiative aims to bring more cash into the formal banking system, thereby increasing liquidity, enhancing monetary policy effectiveness, and combating illegal financial activities. While there are challenges to overcome, such as changing public attitudes towards cash usage and ensuring regulatory compliance, the potential benefits are substantial. The move can lead to a more robust and competitive banking sector, greater financial inclusion, and the development of digital banking services in Iraq. By taking these steps, Iraq can build a more stable and resilient financial system that supports economic growth and development in the long term. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.